What you doing?
Stretching? What you doing?
It's unboxing time.
Unboxing time.
From one of my favorite distributors of all time.
Ooh.
It's a secret.
Ooh.
Don't tell anyone.
I don't know if they did a good enough job proving that it was a secret.
I don't know. Inquiring minds want to know.
And you definitely did not make it a secret that they're one of your favorites.
Well, you know, I'm just saying. You know why they're one of my favorites?
Why?
Check out the packing job.
It's a box in a box surrounded by craft paper.
That's legit. You know, between Secretly and Red Eye, I don't know who does a better job. Because holy cow.
That is a tough one.
I don't think I've ever gotten anything damaged from either one of them.
No.
Look at this. Look at the more craft paper. Do you know what that is?
Ooh, I do. It's Minecraft Beta?
Beta.
Beta, right?
That's right. That's the 2LP Minecraft Beta. So if you play the video game Minecraft and you would like a soundtrack to that video game, you need Alpha and Beta. That was Beta. And of course, they're available online.
Ooh.
And you know what that is?
This is Minecraft Alpha.
That's right. It's a 1LP Alpha. This is the one that everybody goes for because it's a little bit cheaper because it's a 1LP.
1LP.
And the other one's a 2LP. Now, we do have some releases for this week as well. Put into the boxes, like MF Doom. And then we got the MF Doom demos, or Mad Villain demos. I'm sorry, it's not MF Doom, it's Mad Villain, but it's MF Doom. Buck Cherry, Firehouse, Rush, more Rush, The Cult. What? Stacks, Volume 2, Volume 1. Alan, yeah. Rush, and more Rush. That's so far what's come for the new releases. So far. So far away.
Doesn't everybody stay in one place anymore?
That's right. That's right. We got
Minecraft.
We got more Minecraft. I got my share. Do you know why I got my share?
Why?
Because we needed more.
Don't we always need more?
We sell them. We sell them.
Ooh, that was a full box.
That's what I'm talking about.
Of Alpha.
You know, secretly. I mean, you know what else they got over there?
What?
Phoebe Bridgers.
They do.
We got 10 tons of Phoebe Bridgers. They got Japanese breakfast too. And they got Mitski, I believe.
I think so, yeah.
I mean, bury me at Makeout Creek. What? Look at come on, every box comes the same. It is like an identical thing of awesomeness.
I don't know if they could see. The box doesn't even touch the ground. It's levitating.
What the? See what I'm saying? I don't even. They're a bunch of aliens. They are a bunch of beautiful aliens. I love them.
Beautiful, amazing aliens.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Wow.
Spectacular.
Could you stick your head any further up there? No.
Phoebe Bridgers, Stranger in the Alps.
Stranger in the Alps. That's what I was trying to tell you. I mean, they got the good stuff.
They do.
They got a lot of the good stuff.
More Stranger in the Alps.
This is what we do. I mean,
More Stranger in the Alps.
yeah, well, it's a strange Alps. Wow, it's even more. We wanted more. When I sell out of them, I always order by the cases. I thought I ordered a mixed bag here, and apparently I did not. I ordered what I needed.
Maybe this one will be more mixed.
Maybe. Because, you know, we like that freestyle, that wiki woo style.
Because I swear there were more than 5 titles on this order.
That's right. But they got them levitating. I never seen nothing like it. I don't even know how they do that.
They're like a whole nest.
Right? I mean, they cocooned it.
Yeah. Let's see. Look, levitating.
Literally.
Don't even touch the ground.
This is how you pack. They cocooned it. I mean, Dua Lipa would have loved it. They were levitating. Just saying. I mean, more Stranger in the Alps.
How many Stranger in the Alps did you? Okay.
I can't recall.
Here we go. We've got Mac DeMarco.
2. Okay. Okay, see, they even got Mac DeMarco. Come on, man. You ain't messing with Secretly. That's what I'm talking about.
Yep, and we've got Mac DeMarco. Can't read it.
Waka Waka.
Waka Waka. Wicca Wicca.
Wicca Wicca.
Oh, Rock and Roll Nightclub.
That's right.
I was like, it didn't occur to me to read the hype sticker.
What?
I tried to read that. And that is not cursive that I know.
Okay.
So yeah, how cool is that? Mwah! To you too, Mac DeMarco.
I'm just saying, I
And
mean.
Secretly.
Big shout out to Secretly. That was a heck of a job. What's your favorite thing you unboxed? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I gotta respect it. Stranger in the Alps. Me personally, I'm going with Minecraft Alpha because it's a crazy color. Just saying. That's me though. Let me know, what was your favorite thing that she unboxed from Secretly Distribution? Act now while supplies last. Huh?